Friday, you'll be glad you came to this. It's The Wanted in a red-hot and live concert party in the park. Only on Good Morning America's Summer Concert Series, presented by Famous Footwear.
Hello to our fans online. I'm Diana Perez.
I'm John Muller with the top stories on this Thursday, August 22nd. Former Egyptian President Hosni Mubarak won't exactly be a free man when he's released from prison, perhaps as early as today. The country's prime minister has ordered that the 85-year-old former leader be put under house arrest. It's not clear whether that will be at home or in the hospital, considering his frail health.
The out-of-control wildfire burning in Yosemite National Park is now only 5% contained. The fire has grown to more than 25 square miles, threatening homes, hotels, and camp buildings. While the area is remote, the blaze has led to the voluntary evacuations of several camps, at least 2 campgrounds, and dozens of other private homes.
So often we see the aftermath of an act of nature. Not this time. Check this out. We see a rather dramatic act as it happens. Watch the trees. They slowly start to disappear into a sinkhole in Louisiana's bayou country. The water churns as the unseen hole opens up on the bayou floor. A local emergency official says the sinkhole is still active and that it continues to grow, but he adds that homes aren't in any danger, for now anyway. An evacuation route is being planned.
And this next story is either amazing or amazingly stupid. We're going to let you decide. It happened yesterday in the skies over England. That's where a pair of 9-year-old cousins became the world's youngest formation wing walkers. The girls also became the 3rd generation of their families to wing walk on those very planes, which are owned by their grandfather. One of the girls called it really fun and really windy. I guess that's an understatement. She also said that this was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. We're hoping it stays a once-in-a-lifetime
Let's keep it a
experience.
once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Oh, I don't like the way that looks for a 9-year-old.
They're batting 1,000. Time to retire.
Yes, they are. All right, you can get any more news anytime at abcnews.com. I'm Diana Perez.
I'm John Muller. Thanks for watching.
This is World News Now, available anytime, anywhere you want it.
Every day, more Americans choose ABC News, America's #1 news source.